Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get a transparent taskbar in Windows 11. So firstly, right click on the desktop and open personalize, then go to colors. Now enable the transparency effect, which will make your taskbar kind of transparent. And now to make it more better, just simply search for Microsoft Store and open the store. Then inside the store, just simply search for application called Translucent TV and just simply install the application. Now after the installation is complete, just simply press open, and as you can see down here, the taskbar has completely become transparent. That's how you can make your taskbar transparent. And if you want more settings regarding the taskbar or anything related to the application, you just simply click over here, then double click on the TV icon over here, and it will give you all the settings available in the application. You can see it and make changes over here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.